Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check your washer fluid on a 2018 Mazda 3. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. The hood release location is on the driver's side, left side of your knee. It's located with the car and the hood opened. It's a lever right there. I'll show you. You lift it up, and right in the center is the lever. That's the hood lock latch. You bring it over to the driver's side. You lift your hood. The prop rod's in the front, and the location is clearly marked with an arrow. Your windshield washer fluid is located on the passenger side of the vehicle in the engine compartment. It's clearly marked with a blue cover and has the washer for the windshield. Just pop that off. It comes with a dipstick, the level grade, the level of it, sorry. And you just fill in your fluid. Make sure it snaps all the way down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.